Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Whiteboard 101, the series in which I answer your most important questions about cryptocurrency in less than 2 minutes. And today we're answering the question, what is a cryptocurrency fork? Now, there's two main types of fork. A soft fork is simply an upgrade in the network. What we're going to be talking about this video is the much more exciting hard fork, which is not backwards compatible and results in a new blockchain being created. Now, the first question is, what causes a fork? A fork is simply a breakdown in the consensus and results when two different sides have a different view of what the accepted state of the network is. So normally there can be situations when people disagree on the blocks. Two miners could create the same block at the exact same time. And this isn't really a fork. This is just a disagreement in consensus, and normally this is self-solving. The block that's not accepted will fall off the chain and it will continue as one uninterrupted change. But with a fork, you have a fundamental disagreement over the state of the network, and instead of everything being resolved and going back to one single chain, you have two chains that are created and exist independently of each other. They have a common history up to the point of the split, but after that they are completely separate. So what could cause a fork? It could be a variety of issues. Bitcoin Cash split from Bitcoin because they wanted to increase the block size. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic split because they had different philosophies over how they wanted to handle a hack. And the interesting thing is that there can actually be a fork of a fork. So Bitcoin was the original crypto, Bitcoin Cash split off because they wanted a larger block size, and then Bitcoin Cash existed for a while, and then Bitcoin Satoshi Vision decided to split off from Bitcoin Cash. So you really have multiple versions of Bitcoin that all split off from this one grandfather, if you will, right? It's kind of like a family tree. So in conclusion, a hard fork is a fundamental disagreement in the way that the network should operate. It usually results in the split of the chain and creation of new cryptocurrencies, whereas a soft fork is a small upgrade that does not result in these significant changes. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you next time.